commodity.
Yes. I'm not sure. You know, my books open up on Monday for realtor issues. So, on Monday, my office opens up properly for people to come and speak to me and say they can say, "I want to own this," and I can be like, "No," or I could be like,
Oh,
"Yes."
Jesus.
Oh, good lord!
I am so sorry. I was not here a second ago. I swear to God, I was in the middle of town.
Good
Well, hello there.
My life flashed before my eyes.
Yeah, no.
So sorry.
I thought I was gonna
It's a
die
big
for a
light,
second. I thought I
too.
was seeing the light.
Yes.
I know I'm owed, but damn, I didn't think it was my time yet.
Tell me about it.
My sincerest apologies.
Oh, you're fine.
Quite all right, young lady.
Just gonna mosey on out of here now.
Yes.
You've been safe. Oh,
Lord, she's cursed.
believe so.
Oh, she's a witch.
Now, which one of you two would like to earn a little bit of money?
Ooh, depends on what you need me to do.
I need someone to go up onto that roof on the saloon and kill those wild animals.
I can do that.
Well, I'm injured.
Whatever
Yeah.
money, whatever you make out of it is the money you get to keep.
That's fine with me.
All right. Well, that's enough of that now, Theo. Come on.
I think I broke my leg.
Oh, for goodness, really? For goodness sake.
Did you know?
I didn't
Well,
quite
join
hit
the
the
club,
landing
yeah.
on that ladder when I walked up to it.
Yeah. There you go.
Well, I guess
No.
I'm in the same boat as you now.
I think my boat's a little bit further than yours.
It could be. I was even nice, didn't use a gun, I used a knife. This is why we
Yes,
have nice
I
things.
did forget to say, don't use a gun. You might get total shooting inside of a tail. Right, so there's two of you now injured. That's bloody brilliant. Do you think you could both hobble over to the medical office?
That should be able to, yeah.
Right, come on in. Nice and slowly.
This was a turn of events.
Good lord.
That's why I stick to farming.
Yes. That's why I don't climb buildings, personally. I get other people to do it. And then they decide to break their bloody ankle.
Yep.
Ah, Gerald, you still owe me $10.
It's all
Don't
kinds,
think
right?
I've not forgotten. You cheated in poker, you owe it me.
No, no one likes a cheater.
No, no one likes Gerald either. What is all this mess in my tail?
What's this dog following? This is your dog.
It's my dog, yes, well, it's the court dog. Anyone back here? No? Alright. Right, just sit down and rest up. I will, I'll wait for the doctor.
Alright. Thank you.
Alright.
Can't believe I fell off that roof.
No, I didn't see you falling. That's I kind of regret that.
Yes,
So
yes,
I
we've
guess
got
neither
two
one of y'all
gentlemen.
did.
One's not feeling so well and one's broken his ankle. They're both in there for you.
Oh, thank you, sir.
No problem. Gentlemen, I will see you later. This is a doctor.
Much appreciated, sir.
Hello there.
Yes, yes. Be
Oh.
safe now.
Yes, I fancy seeing you too.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, there is another casualty. We come in.
Are you okay?
Whose
Is it a
horse is
horse?
this?
Why are you following me? I didn't call you.
Dear good lord.
I'm so sorry about that.
There's been just the most wildest events going on right now.
My horse has attachment issues, apparently. I'm pretty sure I got off him way over there.
Oh, Jesus. It can't be as bad as me. I just fell off a roof, so there's that.
Okay, and Nick. Nick. Oh. What's wrong with him?
Oh, sorry. What? My apologies. There.
What's wrong with you?
Again, the angle, the same one.
Boys.
Well, he jumped off the horse like an idiot.
Yeah, I can't use that splint that you gave me yourself. Yeah, I can't use it myself.
Oh. Okay, there's something. I gotta. Hold on. Interesting.
I guess that damn deer I killed on the roof got the final laugh on me.
Yeah, true that. Now it's gonna cost you.
I can't believe neither one of y'all see me fall off that roof.
You were saying no farming for me. Look at you now.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it's just right leg. I'm not sure if it's entirely broken, but it definitely feels like it.
I can't even use it on you. Let me try one more thing, boys. Hold on a second.
All right, tea. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Try that. It has some healing properties.
All right.
Jesus. Jesus. What is in that?
Herbs.
Strong herbs.
Made me feel weird for a second. I think the floor was talking to me for a second. Okay.
I know.
Let's stand up here.
Don't think you're looking too well, partner. There.
I don't want to give the tea some time. I want to see if I can take off running, but I don't at the same time.
You want to try it?
Let's see how this goes.
I mean,
Alright,
if
leg.
you're passed out, I can give you morphine at least.
That is true. Alright, we're gonna see what happens. See if I can make through this door.
But do it. No.
Fire, that was fire.
Oh.
Let me see if I can poke you with morphine. Hold on.